Good morning, student. Heartily welcome to the new academic session 2021 and 22. As you know, student, due to this pandemic situation, again we are going to start our online classes from today. As you know, student, I am your biology teacher, Sapna Borde ma'am, as well as I am the class teacher of 7B. I hope you are all healthy and happy at home. Take care, student, as well as take care your parents. Stay home, stay safe. Let us start today's lecture. In this video, I am going to teach the new lesson tissue. First upon, I will explain what is meant by tissue. See, student, you know that our body is made from different types of tissue. Tissue means what? The group of cell. See, look at this structure. This is the microscopic structure of small piece of our organ, small piece of our skin, and this is the many cells. These group of cells performing the common function and have the common origin. It's called as a tissue. Got it? Means our body, all living organisms are made from a single cell. You will have to study about the cell in higher classes, but in that class we have to study about that the tissue. Let us see what is meant by tissue. See, student, first of all I will explain what is meant by cell. Okay, let us give the example. See, this is a wall. As you know, our building is built from many rooms. Each room is made from the 4 wall, and each wall is made from many bricks. Means the bricks is the structural unit of the wall. Means our building is made from bricks. Means many bricks. From many bricks we make a wall. Then 4 wall make a room, and many room together form a building. Same like that, our body is also cells together. The group of the cell from tissue, group of the tissue from organ system and organism. See, this is the microscopic structure of onion peel. See, the small blocks. Each blocks is a single cell, and these cell together it's called as a tissue. And in that lesson we will have to study about that the tissue. Got it, student? What is mean by tissue? Tissue is a group of similar cell, and they perform the common function and have a common origin. Got it? What is mean by tissue? Let us again revise. See, student, look at this picture. This is the cell. This is a single cell. Means all living organisms are origin. All living organisms are made from a single cell. So its cell is called the structural and functional unit of life. In the higher classes you will have to detailed study about that the structure of cell. But in that class we have to study about that the tissue. So now I am explaining about the cell. Tissue means what? The group of the cell, many cell. Means see, this is the group of the cell, and this group of the cell is called as a tissue. Got it? What is mean by tissue? Tissue means the group of the cell. The group of the tissue together from a organ. See, this is a stomach. The stomach is made from many cells. Means bunch of the cell. The bunch of the cell form tissue, and bunch of the tissue form organ, and the many organ like the esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine form a organ system. This is the digestive system. In our body many system: digestive system, respiratory system, blood circulatory system, reproductive systems, many system together and form a organism. Got it? This is called as the level of organism means these huge organism is made from a single cell. Got it, student? And the group of the cell is called as a tissue. In that lesson we will have to study about that the types of tissue. Let us again revise what is the definition of tissue. Tissue means what? A group of similar cell. I explain now. The similar cell together form a tissue, and our stomach is made from the same kind of the tissue. Got it? They have a same origin, and the stomach is main function of stomach is a digestion. Means the all tissue performing the common function. Got it? What is mean by tissue? A group of similar cells that perform a common function and have a common origin. It's called as a tissue. In that lesson we have to study about that the two types of the tissue. Plant tissue, you know that, student. Plant is also living organism. And animal tissue means all animals like human being, insect, bacteria, means all living organism. All different kinds of the plants are made from a tissue, and in that lesson we have to detail study about the each and every types of the tissue. In my next lecture I will details explain about that the what is mean by plant tissue and what is mean by animal tissue and their subtypes. Got it, student? Today's lecture, in that lecture I explain about that the what is mean by tissue. Thank you, student. Take care your parents. Stay home and stay safe.